Hello, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you the new update that I've made to the virtual reality room. So, I've been following a Unity tutorial, and this is the result after completing the second part of the tutorial. As you can see, I can already hear some ambient sound coming from the fireplace. And as well, you've noticed that my rays are not active. But when I press a button, yep, they are now active. You will have also noticed that now we have this UI element in front of us. So yeah, if I press a button or the thumbstick, I can now interact with the UI, and there it goes. I can still teleport if I have my laser. But now I cannot grab my items with a laser. I have to be now next to them in order to grab them. Also, as you can see, some of the objects, like when I pick them up, will make a sound. And they are also giving some feedback on my remote, some vibration. And also, for example, the tennis ball, if I drop it, it will make a sound. Now, as you can see, I have a sort of remote control here for the television, that when I activate it, the thing over here will be red, the light, and it will show something on the television. It will be reproducing a video source with the sound and everything. So there it goes. Now we have a sort of working TV, and I can switch it back off again. So now if we go to this place, let's go here and grab this. I have a sort of dart gun with some ammo indicator, so I can shoot. And there is a point where if I keep shooting, I won't have any more ammo and I won't be able to shoot anymore. So I've been shooting all the darts. Now I only have 3 left, so 1, 2, and 3. And now I cannot shoot anymore. We've got also here some interesting items. For example, I've got this tablet that, like the remote and the television, I can switch on the tablet.
Who first shared their stories in caves?
And as you can see, it reproduces a video. Now, for example, I can get magnifying glass, still works. And now I have also this object, which I can activate, and it emits a source of light, as you can see. And I can switch it on and off as many times as I want. Now we go over to this place. I've got here a working polaroid, sort of. So as you can see, if I grab my polaroid and now I go here, for example, I can take a picture of whatever I'm seeing. And there it goes. This is the picture I just took. And I can leave it here, the photo. And I can take pictures to anything I want. Like, for example, if I wanted to take a picture of the plant over there, I could come here. Well, maybe this is a little bit too close. Here. And there I have the photo of the plant. And there it goes. Another feature that I have now is if I press the secondary buttons in the joysticks of the Oculus Quest 2, I'm prompted here and ask, are you sure you want to restart the room to its original state? And in my case, if I say yes, I've been reset, everything is back to its original place, and I can use again all the room. And that's all that I've been adding through this second part of the tutorial. So now, as you can see, I have haptic and audio feedback. So for example, if I get near to the fireplace, I can hear more the fireplace. If I hear it through my right ear or through my left ear, the sound is different. And if I'm further away, like here, I can barely hear the fireplace roaring. And well, as you can see also, some interfaces, the sound, the polaroid that basically gets the render of the camera and puts this over a texture, the effects for the balls, and also the new teleportation functionalities. And also that now I have to be next to objects to grab them. And basically that's more or less everything that has been added.